What's up, YouTube? We are here at a river slash dam. We're gonna see what we can get on. Hopefully get our first smallie of today. I got something. What do I got? Oh, I got it, bro. I got a rock bass. Heck yeah. My first one. Heck yeah, man. That's freaking dope. That's my first rock bass. New species, heck yeah. Now let's let this little guy go. There he goes. Heck yeah, man. That's tough. Not what I was looking for. I'm still looking for a smallie. But who knows, maybe we can get something. So we know they're there. That's a good sign. We know they're there. Now we just have to find them. There was a fish right there. I just scared a fish. I don't know if you guys saw that. I just scared one. We're gonna see if some smallies are up in these pools. See what we can do. Lord willing, we'll get on some. Heavenly Father, please help me to catch less fish and, Lord willing, my first smallmouth. In Jesus' name, amen. Texas rig, bandito bug, let's go. I think this was my last resort, you know what I mean? If I throw one of these, I'm throwing it all out there. So let's see what we can do. Man. See if anything's in this pool. Oh, something's got it. Something's got, no! There's those two bass right there. Dang it. See if something else goes for it again. It's like he didn't want it. At least when I got an eye on it, it looked like a largemouth, so that's a good sign, because I didn't want to lose a smallmouth. Yeah, I got an eye on them right now. They're right in that pool right there. See if one's up shallow. What? What? Bro, that duck looked like he was coming over here to take my lure. Oh, there is a fish on it, though. Yep. See it? Yep. Got him. Got him. Got him. Come on. Yes. There was one up shallow. Is that my first smallmouth? Ah, nah, it's just a fat bass. Yes. Heck yeah, man. Woo. Let's go. Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Huh?
Caught anything?
Yeah, I just caught a bass.
I see.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Heck yeah,
That's
guys.
the first thing you caught?
Yo. Really good day, you know what I'm saying? God-given day. It was really cool catching that rock bass. Whew. And that bass up in the shallows, that largemouth. You probably wouldn't even be seeing a video had I not caught that, so that was cool. No smallmouth, but hey, we're gonna get on it. So, hope you guys enjoyed. For all those who did watch, all right, kings and queens, stay loyal, follow Jesus, and I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.